Hi friend, it's been a while. How's your quarantine going on your side of the world? What did you eat? On my side of town, I have made friends with a lot of new squirrel buddies. And most importantly, rediscovered a whole bunch of things I've forgotten and stacked into my freezer. On today's menu, a brick of mozzarella cheese and some pork. And given that I have some breadcrumbs left, we're gonna do some cheese tonkatsu, or attempt to. Okay, so in terms of steps, this is a pretty straightforward recipe. First, you cut up your mozzarella cheese into either sticks or square, whatever you prefer, whatever shape you prefer. You know, we don't discriminate, we take you as you are. Put it aside. Then time to look at the meat. You have a piece of pork, chop it up in such a way that you can tenderize it. I'm gonna go sideways like this. Hopefully won't chop my finger out. I guess I'm only gonna have 2 tonkatsu. Now let's pound it up. Find something heavy so that you can make the meat tender. Ow. In this case, I'll be this. All right. First one done. Second one up. This one is a bit more destroyed, huh? And now that you have some nice slices of pork, wrap the cheese in it. Oh yeah. Now you want to put on some weight so that the meat adhere to the cheese. Usually they use saran wrap to roll it and make it tight, but in order to try to avoid single usage of paper, we're just gonna slap it on like this. Natural weight should do some magic. This looks good. We have a total of 2 little cheese tonkatsu for this afternoon snacks, because I guess we're always eating in this day and age. Now we're gonna prep the coating to make it crispy. Okay, and then whoo! Careful, knives. I need to clean. I don't want to have diseases. We're back in business, my friends. Eggs. I forgot to season my meat. I'm just gonna season everything. Might as well throw everything in the fryer. Given the limitations of the ingredients and my own skills, this is now gonna be a two pieces of cheese pork tonkatsu, as well as tiny bits of cheese and porks individually. And because I don't want this house to turn into hell, we're gonna go on my patio. I hope you're ready for my Asian squat. So first lesson, I think I didn't put enough breadcrumbs around just the one that were only cheese without the pork, because the cheese disappeared at the bottom of the pan. It's completely empty. So now I have empty shells of cheese. Look, right like this. Yep. Still delicious though. Just missing a bit of cheese. That's all of the cheese. Okay. Oh yeah. The shape is not excellent. There is a bit too much burnt on one side compared to the other, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be okay. There we go. No. Shit. Oh, boy. A bit dry. The meat has been a bit overcooked, but other than that, pretty nice. I'd say, except for the cheese-only version, this was a pretty good success. It's crispy, it's melty, there's meat, it's cooked. Yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I know this is not the normal restaurant video you're used to, but let me know what are your thoughts below. Should I continue to try to learn how to cook? Or maybe I should stop eating and... Okay. Alright, thanks a lot. Stay home and stay safe. Test 2. Cheesesteak success. Just need more batter around and make sure there's no leaking of cheese. Yep.